Hey, it's Kent here from Select People, and if you live in the Brisbane region or you would like to move to the Brisbane region and you're looking for an apprenticeship in a high-end landscape company for a landscape construction apprenticeship, keep watching this video. This opportunity could be for you. So we have a current position going for a high-end residential landscape company here in Brisbane, and they're based on the southside of Brisbane. And they are a multi-award-winning company. For the last 4 years, they've taken out Apprentice of the Year in the Landscape Queensland Awards. So you'll be in really good company as far as a company that really takes the apprenticeship program seriously and really wants to develop and skill up their workforce so that they are top-notch landscapers. They work on some quite prestige properties around the Brisbane and sometimes Gold Coast region. So you'll also get to work on some pretty cool projects while you're working with them. They certainly have a great company culture. We've been assisting the company now for 8 years, and they're quite a large business as well. And the feedback that we get from people that we have placed with them over the years is fantastic. So certainly they're the kind of company that do take their culture of the organisation quite seriously, and they're essentially like a large family. That's how they kind of treat everybody. The position is on a full-time basis, and they do work predominantly Monday to Friday. Generally, there is no weekend work involved. They provide uniforms. They also have annual events where they do corporate team building events. They also have monthly barbecues and toolboxes that they run. They also have other staff incentives throughout the month. You do also get your birthday off every year, and there is plenty of scope for development for within this company. We've had a number of people over the years where they've actually commenced as an apprentice, and now some of them are actually working as construction supervisors within the company. If you're interested in this particular role, we will leave a link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And that way you can keep up to date with other positions that we have going across the horticulture industry and some trades in general. And please feel free to tag any friends or family on this particular role that you feel as though may be interested. We do have a second position going in the garden maintenance division of the company as well. So if you're looking to undertake your Certificate 3 in Parks and Gardens and you've got a keen interest specifically in garden maintenance, then there is another opportunity there too, which we will also leave a link in the description below. You get all the perks that we've also mentioned previously in this video. It's also on a permanent full-time basis. So it's Kent once again from Select People. Thanks.